Hi, welcome to Inner Art. We're an art studio in Reigate and we offer classes for all ages from 5 to 95. For children we offer one-to-one lessons, term time clubs, art parties and holiday workshops. For adults we offer one-to-one lessons, courses that run over a series of weeks and a group that gather to share ideas.
We try and keep our space fairly quiet and welcoming, with a luscious kind of choice of materials to work from and a choice of spaces to be in as well.
One is all natural daylight, it's a lovely bright open space, and then we have a second room. We actually call it the den because it's where you can tuck away from the hustle and bustle, and it's more free-flowing and a bit more messy down there. The whole space is designed to show you that mistakes are very much part of the creative process. We know how important it is to have friends and to make friends and to feel part of a community. The tutors are not only professionals but they're also friends. It really does feel like a family.
Giving yourself time to come to a studio and make it's like giving yourself an enormous treat.
Life is so short, and if you feel like you want to have a go at it, then you definitely should.
I so often hear that people feel nervous or they don't feel good enough or they might feel too old. If they don't feel too old, they feel too young. But actually art really is for everybody and all people are welcome.
We're all on journeys, we've all got stories, we're all individuals.
We're so looking forward to meeting you and becoming part of your art journey.